Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be looking at a walkthrough on the concept music video on the front garden. The main things you'll need to know is that I filmed this on my drone, obviously not in flight mode, as if you've seen the actual project itself. And essentially what I've done is I've handheld it, hoping that the gimbal would actually be relatively steady. In my head I wanted to try to get shots of the garden, especially some of the unique features. I've also gone ahead and done some maths on this. So what I've done is I've changed the sequence scope to have it as 23.96 frames per second, because the way that I shot it, I accidentally left it shooting in 25 frames per second in PAL, and I shot the rest of it when I realized a mistake in NTSC, and I changed that to 60 frames per second. So the idea was I wanted to get down to 60 down to 24 frames per second, so it actually looked really nice and a bit more creamy in the sort of look. I've once again made sure that I've got all my files set up so I have my different visual and audios, and I've also gone ahead and I've added, you can probably see, a bit of warp stabilization where possible to some of the images. After I've sequenced everything through, I then gone ahead and added on some effects just to give it a bit more of a clean look, and essentially that's how I've quickly gone ahead and done my video along with some coloration. So I hope that was helpful and informative, and I'll see you next time.